Hi, it's me. Number 10. The lionfish has been around for quite a while. The lionfish has been around since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. And while its exact origins are unknown, it is estimated that they have existed in their current form for between 27 million to 36 million years. This means that there have been lionfish swimming around in our oceans, longer than humans have been around. They are truly ancient creatures that have been able to thrive across multiple continents. It would be like if a species of bird still around today was alive at the time of the dodo bird. Number 9. There are different types of lionfish. While most people think of the red lionfish when they hear the name lionfish, this is not the only type. There are actually over 40 species of lionfish in the world today, all belonging to the genus Ptera. These fish can be found throughout the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, including the waters of Australia, Japan, and the eastern coast of Africa. The lionfish are known for their striking appearance with their bright colors and venomous spines. Some of the more common species include the red lionfish, the white lionfish, the dwarf lionfish, and the Volatons lionfish. Each species has its unique characteristics and color patterns, but they all share one thing in common: their venomous spines. No. 8. Their venom is deadly. Lionfish have venomous spines that can cause excruciating pain, swelling, numbness, and even paralysis. Left untreated, the pain can persist for hours or even days. In rare cases, the venom can be fatal. While the lionfish is not typically aggressive towards humans, if it feels threatened or is handled improperly, it can deliver a painful sting. Divers and fishermen who work in lionfish-infested waters are particularly vulnerable to these stings. The venom of a lionfish is a complex mixture of neurotoxins, cytotoxins, and other compounds that can have a devastating effect on the human body. Although there is no antivenom available, pain relief medications such as ibuprofen and paracetamol may help alleviate the discomfort associated with a lionfish sting. However, in some cases, the pain can be so intense that hospitalization and other forms of medical treatment may be necessary. Number 7. Humans are not on their menu. Even though they are capable of causing harm to humans through their venomous spines, lionfish don't see us as a food source. We are simply too big for them to prey on. Instead, they prefer to eat smaller fish and invertebrates such as crabs and shrimp. They also enjoy eating plankton and algae. With their sharp teeth and powerful jaws, they are able to quickly dispatch their prey, sucking it up with ease. Lionfish are opportunistic feeders and will consume whatever is available in their habitat. Their diet is mainly composed of zooplankton, fish eggs, and small fish. As they are apex predators in their natural environment, they do not need to compete with other animals for food. 6. They have a unique hunting style. Lionfish are ambush predators, which means they wait until they are close to their prey before making their move. Once they get close enough, they use their pectoral fins to propel themselves forward and open their mouths wide to create a suction effect to suck up their prey. This technique allows them to feed on a variety of prey items without expending too much energy. Additionally, their venomous spines serve as a warning to potential predators, allowing lionfish to remain safe while hunting for food. However, sometimes their method of feeding can prove to be disastrous for native species. When lionfish were introduced to the waters of the Atlantic Ocean, they had no natural enemies to keep their population under control. This allowed them to reproduce at a rapid rate and become an invasive species. Their voracious appetite meant that they were consuming vast amounts of native fish and invertebrates, disrupting the balance of the ecosystem. 5. They can be kept as pets. Believe it or not, many people keep lionfish as pets. Even though they are venomous, their beauty and unique hunting style make them appealing to experienced aquarium owners. However, it should be noted that lionfish are wild animals and can be dangerous if not handled properly. In addition to their venomous spines, they are also very sensitive to changes in water quality and temperature. This means that they require specialized care and monitoring to stay healthy and happy. For this reason, lionfish are not recommended as pets for beginners. If you do decide to get one, it's important to research their needs and be prepared to meet them. Otherwise, you may end up with a very unhappy and potentially dangerous pet. Number 4. They have no natural enemies. Lionfish are a relatively new addition to the Atlantic Ocean, having first arrived in the 1980s. Since then, their numbers have exploded. due to a lack of natural enemies. In their native habitat, lionfish are kept in check by various predators including groupers, snappers, and large eels. However, none of these predators are found in the Atlantic Ocean, meaning that lionfish have free reign over the waters. This has led to massive outbreaks of lionfish in the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico, where they have caused significant damage to the local ecosystem. As a result, scientists are working hard to find ways to control the spread of lionfish in non-aid waters. One promising approach involves introducing predators from the Indo-Pacific region that are known to feed on lionfish. By doing so, it may be possible to restore balance to the affected ecosystems and protect the native species from further decline. 3. They play an important role in the ecosystem. In their native habitats, lionfish play an important role in the ecosystem by keeping populations of smaller fish and invertebrates under control. They are also a food source for larger predators such as groupers and snappers. However, when lionfish are introduced to non-native waters, they can become a serious threat to native species because they have no natural enemies in most non-native waters. Lionfish can reproduce at a rapid rate and consume vast amounts of native prey. This can lead to a collapse in the native fish population and have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. For example, in the Caribbean, lionfish are known to have caused significant declines in populations of native fish and invertebrates, leading to major shifts in the balance of the ecosystem. To mitigate the damage caused by lionfish, some organizations are working to develop biological controls, such as introducing predators from their native range or breeding resistant strains of native fish. These efforts are still in progress, but it is hoped that they will help to restore balance to affected ecosystems and protect the amazing biodiversity of our oceans. 2. They are not social creatures. Lionfish are solitary creatures and do not form social bonds with other lionfish or fish of other species. They are territorial and will defend their space aggressively, chasing away any intruders. This is especially true during mating season, when males will fiercely protect their eggs. Despite their solitary nature, lionfish are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of aquatic environments. They are often found in coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and rocky coastal areas. Their ability to survive in different habitats is likely due to their flexible physiology and behavior. For example, lionfish can adjust their buoyancy to match the density of the surrounding water, allowing them to conserve energy while swimming. Additionally, they are nocturnal hunters, which helps them to avoid daytime predators and take advantage of the abundant prey available at night. Overall, the lionfish is a fascinating creature with unique adaptations that allow it to thrive in diverse environments. 1. You can help control their population. As we mentioned before, lionfish have no natural enemies in most parts of the world. This means that they can reproduce unchecked and cause major problems for local fish populations. But there is hope. Organizations such as the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission are working to control the spread of lionfish in Florida waters. They have developed programs to educate the public about lionfish and how to properly dispose of them. If you catch a lionfish in Florida, it is important to kill it humanely and discard it immediately. This can be done by either freezing the fish for 24 hours or by cutting the spinal cord with a sharp knife. By taking these steps, you can help prevent lionfish from establishing a breeding population in Florida waters. In addition to these efforts, some restaurants in Florida have started serving lionfish as a menu item. By incorporating lionfish into their dishes, these restaurants are helping to reduce the number of lionfish in the ocean and provide an alternative protein source for diners. Lionfish have a unique flavor and texture that is similar to that of a red snapper or grouper. It is often described as having a mild, slightly sweet taste with a firm, flaky texture. The meat is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients, making it a healthy and sustainable choice for seafood lovers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos. That's all for now. See you next time.